am filming outside today on my porch, so hopefully it's not too loud out here and you can actually hear me. The reason I'm outside, and specifically on my back porch, is because I have somebody to show you. Kitten. So, funny story, I was driving to work on, what night? Friday night? Saturday night. Saturday night to get my paycheck and my schedule, and lo and behold, there's a kitten on the side of the road. You guys know that I love animals, and there's just no way that I could leave a kitten on the side of the road, and so I took the kitten, and we now have a kitten at the house. I'm trying very hard to find owners for the kitten, either whoever its owners were or new owners, because we cannot keep the kitten. But for the time being, he's okay here with us. Husband won't let me name him because he doesn't want me to get too attached, but that kind of already happened. Oh my god, he's like the sweetest cat ever. He doesn't scratch at all. He just wants to be pet, and then when he's done being pet, he just wants to sit near you. Not on you, just near you. He won't sit on my lap. He just curls up into a little kitten loaf next to me and purrs. He's super awesome. There's Kitten, just hanging out with me. Just curled up into a little kitten ball. He's so cute! And he doesn't mind what I do to him. Like, we've sort of tried to annoy him to see if he'll scratch at us or bite us, and he doesn't. Like, he just lets us do whatever. But he doesn't like to be held. If we try to hold him, he gets all squirmy. I know what you're gonna say. I am kind of attached to Kitten, but once again, we cannot keep Kitten. We're going to move, and so we don't have room. It would terribly upset our dogs. I'm allergic to him, and my parents would never, ever, ever come see me ever again. Half because my dad's allergic, and half because my parents really just hate cats. Alright, so I don't really have anything else to tell you guys. I'm racking my brain. I know that there's a theme, and I just don't remember what it is. So I'll have to get back to you on that one. And I'm going to leave you with some hilarious film of my nephew at his birthday party. So enjoy that. And I'll see you guys next week. Oh, itchy nose. Oh, I love Kitten, but oh, allergies. And that would be Kitten. I
like that he keeps going back after every bite and then jumping on the table again.
I know.
Let's limit it to one piece of cake. What you're doing. I like that this is what you're doing.
He's going to be standing behind him, and anybody's going to be filming it. It would be exactly like Tristan, you gotta clean your hands before you use these.
I'm amused. This was worth the trip. You're so silly. Look at you.
Yep.